for joining me. I'm Andrea, and I'm going to continue on the Pictopix Mosaic. We're on the second mosaic, beginning the final row. This is a 15 by 15 nonogram puzzle. That means, well, first off, there are 15 squares to the side, 15 squares up and down. These more solid lines block out 5 by 5 areas. The numbers at the top tell how many squares we will highlight with gaps in between them. So we'll highlight 3, there will be a gap of at least 1 square, and then highlight 7. Looking at the bottom here, we're going to highlight 11 on this row. So if it started at this edge, it'd be 5, 10 to 11. If it started at this edge, it'd be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know that these 7 squares have to be part of the 11. And now I can look up here and say, okay, this column ends with a 2. And then put an X. This column ends with 2. Then I'll put an X. This column ends in 2. And I'll put an X. This ends in 1, so an X. Ends in 1, so X. Ends in 1, so X. And another X. Okay, this row starts with a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can put X's over here. So this column ends with 2. I don't know if the second is above or below. This column ends in 3, so if there's 1 below, there's at least 1 up here. Then this row starts with 2. I can't have 2 to the side, so I can put an X right here. Because this one, the second will be either here or here. Okay, now I'm going to look around. Let's see. In this first column, I have a 3 plus a 7, which makes 10, and the X in between makes 11. I know that the 7 can't fit down here, so I'm going to put an X. So if we start at the top, we have 5, 10, 11. But let's take that 7, say it starts here, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I had an X right here, I'd had 1, 2, 3. And if the 3 starts over here, it'll be 1, 2, 3. And in this row, it starts with 1, so I'll have X. This row starts with 1, so I'll have X. This row starts with 1, so I will have X. This row starts with 5, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then X. This row starts with 1, then I have X. This row starts with 1, then I have X. This row starts with 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have X. This row starts with a 2, so I have 1, 2, and then X. So now I'm going to look in this column. I see I have that 1, and this is part of a 4. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know I have an X at the bottom. This row I've got the 2, so I can put an X right here. That means since this column ends with 2, it would be 1, 2. And this row starts with 5, so if it starts over here, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I this row, I have, well, let's go ahead and see what I had all together, because I have 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, x is 11, x is 12. It did start here, so 5, 10, 11, 12. If I start the 6 from this side, I will have 4, 5, 6. Okay, this column starts with a 1, so I can put an x above and below. This starts with 1, so I can have an x above and below. This column starts with 5. If I start up here, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's look at the columns and see if I can figure anything out now. And I'm just going to look along here for a bit. 2, 4, 1, 1 through 2. Okay. Down here, this is part of a 5. If it started here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is part of an 8. If it started up here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it started down here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this has a 3, 2, and 4. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, x is 10, x is 11. If I start up here, I'll have 5, 10, 11. Okay, so I have 1 extra. That means I can put a little bit of information for the 3, 2, and 4. So if the 3 started here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, x. The 2 would be 1, 2, x. 4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. If I started down here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I can see this has to be the 4 right here. So x's, then 1, 2, x. 1, 2, 3. In this row, I can see this has to be a 1, so I'll put x's over here. Okay. If I look down, this row ends in 3, so I'll have 1, 2, 3. And then this is a 1, so I'll put an x right there. Okay. This row ends in 8, so these two are connected. Okay. This is part of a 5. This is part of a 3. So there's no more over here. There'll be 1, 2, 3, x. This is part of a 6, part of a 5. So if this 5 goes 1, well, first off, if it starts over here, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it starts right here, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are x's. Okay, and this row, this will be part of a 3. So if it goes over here, this will be highlighted, so this is an x. This row, this will be part of a 5, so if it starts over here, it'll be 1. Actually, it can't start over here because this column only has 2's. So if it starts right here, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look down at this column. This ends in a 2, so the 2 can't go up here, so it'll be 1, 2. Then this is an x, and this column is complete. Okay, this column ends in 2. I don't know if it goes above or below. Then This column starts with a 2, so I'll have 1, 2, x. This column starts with 3, so I'll have 1, 2, 3. Actually, that finishes this column. So I'll finish this out. And this row ends with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That finishes the 2 at the top of this and the 2 at the top of this, so I can get x's. Then over here, this is part of a 3. 1, 2, 3, x. Finishes this row. This column starts with 3, so 1, 2, 3, and x. This row is now complete. This row starts with 5, and it's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and x. So this 3 is 1, 2, 3. That finishes that row. This row, I'll have a 2 over here, so 1, 2, and this row is complete. This row is a 1 and an 8. The 8 starts here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This column, this is part of 2, so 1, 2, and again here 1, 2. In this row, I'll have a 1 and then a 2. The 1's over here, so the 2, this is the only space it would fit, so 1, 2. Finishes this row. This column had 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See, this row is complete. This row, I'm not sure yet. This row had a 1 and then a 5, so this is x. This is part of the 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this column, this is part of a 2, so 1, 2. And this row, this is part of 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, x. And this row is complete. This row ends with 3, so I have 1, 2, 3. And this column's complete. This column has an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This row ends in 3. 1, 2, 3. Put x's in both of those. This row ends in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an x. This column has a 1, so it has to be right here. And then this row, that's part of a 2, so 1, 2. And let's see where we're at. Okay, this column's complete, 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 complete. So the 1 in this row has to be right here, which completes this column. Then this 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go, we finished the first puzzle. Nice. Let's go ahead and do one more today. Okay. Looking up here, I've got some 12s. That's really handy. So let's say this 12 starts here. I'll be 5, 10, 11, 12. This 12 started over here. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, looking in the columns. This starts with 1, so I have an x above and below. This starts with 3, so it'd be 1, 2, 3. This starts with 2, so this could be above or below, I'm not sure. 2. This is 3, so if it starts up here, it'd be 1, 2, 3. Again, this this is 2. This starts with 1, so I can put an X above and below. And again a 1, so X above and below. This is 3, so 1, 2, 3. Looking at this second row, I have 1, 4, 1. So this over here has to be the last one. And 2, 3, 4. These both have to connect to make the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, X. Now I know this 2 goes 1, 2. The 3, I don't know. This is 2, so I'll have an X above and below. And 2 has an X above and below. And the 3, I don't know if that goes above or below. Okay. This row also has a 12, so I can just follow the pattern from up there. I can do that for this 12. And I can do that for this 12. And I can do that for this 12. And what does that do for these columns? Okay, so this 3 I now know has to go up. 1, 2, 3. Then X, then 2X, 2X. This column, 2X, 2X. This column, the 3 has to go up. 1, 2, 3. Then X, 2X, 2X. And this column it's 2 and X, 2X. This column it's 2, then 2, so it can't be over here. So now here's 1, 2, X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, X. 1, 2. Okay, down here, these could either connect as a 3 or the 3 could go 1, 2, 3, so I'm not sure. Over here, officially I could have a 2 down here, so, but I know that's a 1. And this 12 could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, in this column, this is part of 3. If it starts up here, it'll be 1, 2, 3. This row, this is part of a 2, so I have an X over here. That means there's an X down here, and this is 3, 1, 2, 3, X. This row starts with 1, so I'll have an X right there. Okay, that'll be a 2. And then I'll have a 2 in here, so I'll do the center. That won't fit a 2, so I'll put an X there. This column ends right there. Okay, there'll be a 1 over here. 12. This 12, if it starts here again, we'll go the same distance as the one below. Okay, so I'm not sure. Actually, since this row is complete, the 4 in this column is 1, 2, 3, 4. This row is now complete. Okay, this column, this is part of 2, so 1, 2, X. This is part of 2, so 1, 2, X. If these are 12, that means I can put X's over here. This row has a 3, won't fit there or there. So 1, 2, 3. This row still needs a 2 up here. There's only 3 spots, so I know this has to be part of it. Then for this 12, that connects, which means these are X's. This column is complete. Okay, this row 2, 1, 2, 1. So this row, the 2 will have at least 1 right there in the middle of these 3. Put an X for that. This column starts with 1, so X, X. So this 2 is 1, 2. This 3 is 1, 2, 3. So this row is complete. Okay, this column has 1, then an X, then 1. Then this 4 is 3. The 4th could be up or above or below. This row ends in 2, so 1, 2. This column ends in 2, so it'll be 1, 2. An X right there. This row ends in 2, so 1, 2. This column is complete. Okay, let's come over here. These 12s now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This column I have 3, then 1, 2. And then another 1, 2, 3. Okay, this column has 3. I'll have an X and then a 1. This row starts with 2, so 1, 2. Now this column is complete. This row is complete. So this column ends with 3, be 1, 2, 3. This row needs a 1 over here. This column's complete. This row has a 2 here, so 1, 2. Now this column's complete. And this row has a 2, so 1, 2. videos in advance or access to my videos ad-free.